Respected audience and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum to all. The title of my humble speech is The Role of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal in the Foundation of Pakistan. We cannot deny that the history of India is filled with the cruelties and hardships for the Muslims. We know that Hindus were larger in numbers. They always try to commit any type of cruelty against the Muslims of India. They try to destroy the economy, the business, the trade, the education, even beliefs also. Respected audience, it is said when such circumstances are created, Allah Almighty grants the personality like Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. These are the personalities who mold the nation, who build the nation, who handle the decline of the nation by their hands and by having strong belief all. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Respected audience, some people say that Allama Iqbal is the poet of East. Some say he is the poet of Muslim. But in my point of view, he is such a greatest poet who must be called the poet of humanity. At the end of my speech, I want to say that there are two main sources of Allama Iqbal's dignity to gaining the height of words in his poetry. Number one is the Holy Quran, and the number two is his deep love for the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. In some verses of his poetry, Allama Iqbal says, वो मुअज़्ज़िज़ थे ज़माने में मुसलमान होकर, वो मुअज़्ज़िज़ थे ज़माने में मुसलमान होकर, तुम ख्वार हुए तारिके कुरान होकर. He also says कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, ये जहां चीज है क्या लहो कलम तेरे हैं.